Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Sandra. I bring you glad tidings today, Saturday, the 9th of April 2022. Today it's all about Jasmine. I'm going to give you a breakdown of Jasmine. I'm going to be giving you some background information. I'm going to be letting us understand the relationship between JASMY and Bitcoin. Guys, I have very good information update today. I'm sure you're going to thoroughly enjoy this program. Now, just one or two little pieces of information about my lovely YouTube channel. It is called the Royal Q University. It's a channel that you come to, you learn from, and then you earn from. Yes. I have so many different approaches to crypto, to forex, to indices, to binary options, to the commodities. I trade everything. And one of the items that I trade that is doing stormingly well, one of my 10 streams of income is earning via AI trading robots. And that's what's called Royal Q. Royal Q is the name of the robot, and I urge you, encourage you, in the new world of today, in the new financial realm that we find ourselves in, or financial ecosystem, it is too dangerous to have one single source of income. I encourage you to consider using trading bots. I use the trading bot to make money. I want to encourage you to use trading bots to make money. The name of the trading bot is called Royal Q, Royal Quantitative. It's a company that is safe, secure, does not retain your assets. You control your money. You use robots to trade. We teach you how to set those robots. You stand to make a lot of money on a daily, hourly, by minute basis. Basically, the robot trades for you. It buys low, and then it sells high. It makes money for you in the bear market. It makes money for you in the bull market. Guys, this is next level money making. This is better. This is your second job. This is your third job. Some people make so much money, this is their only job. Don't let this train miss you. Contact me if you need me to help you. I can help set you up. I can help give you my referral code, and I can help start the process of teaching you all you need to know about crypto. I can support you through the process, and I can show you how to make money. This is regardless of whatever continent or country you are in. Trading bots operate regardless of your geography and environment. It's a very good way for making money, whether you're a man, you're a woman, you're young, you're old. We have university students doing this. We have single mothers doing this. We have married women doing this. We have people who have retired doing this. We have people who are hoping to retire using artificial intelligence trading bots to make money. So contact me, send me a comment in the line below my videos, and you can see that we are approaching 300 subscribers. Whoa, I'm so excited. If you've not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, subscribe, because I'm going to be bringing you some great content about how to make generational wealth, generational money, great transfer of wealth using crypto, using forex, using artificial intelligence trading bots. We are here to support you. So subscribe to my channel and just enjoy the best content on YouTube as far as crypto goes. Now, come on, let's do this. This is JASMY. Check it out. This is JASMY. JASMY is an Internet of Things coin. They refer to it as the Japanese Bitcoin. It launched on the market in February 2021. As at the time that it launched, the all-time high achieved by JASMY, it managed to reach a rate of almost of 0.3287 dollars. Guys, this coin is positioned to do well, is targeted to do well, is an extremely well loved coin by the market, and of late there have been quite a number of developments. What you see in front of you is the daily chart. You can see that on screen. I've got the MACD, the RSI, and the volume. Volume wise, in the fullness of time, it is picking up. Particularly March was a very busy time for this coin. It's very closely fused with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin rose, it rose. When Bitcoin dipped, it dipped. The wonderful thing about this coin is that it has a very intelligent management executive behind it. These are people that are largely Sony executives, from the chief operations officer to the chief financial officer to the CEO. All of them have come from Sony. Guys, I don't know what you know about Sony, but Sony certainly is one of the top companies in the world, doing extremely well. Where Sony goes, the rest of the market follows. And where you have the brainchild of the Sony group breaking off to form an Internet of Things company, guys, you can agree with me that something is up. The goal of JASMY is to completely transform the way user data is managed online. So not only do we have JASMY token, not only do we have the JASMY ecosystem, JASMY is also operating as a platform. It's strengthening its infrastructure. Pardon my coughing, I'm just getting off a little bout of cold, you know. And so the reason why JASMY came to the fore is because more and more with GDPR, with privacy laws, with rules and regulations increasing daily, there is discomfort with the way that online data is currently handled. Government is intruding more and is giving more controls over to consumers and customers, ordinary people on the street like you and I. It's taking away the control of the management of people data away from the hands of companies. Why do you think Facebook has broken up in the way that it has? And that's why changes are afoot with a number of companies out there. And with the more embedded, the metaverse concept of crypto gets embedded in our daily lives, it becomes more and more important for people rather than companies to be in control of their data. So JASMY and JASMY's answer to this protection of data is to provide an Internet of Things devices with a platform where users can safely and efficiently manage their data. JASMY is used to manage devices as well. JASMY is used by people to help keep track of their current status. Through this JASMY platform, JASMY hopes to take back control from the technical giants and puts it in the hands of the consumer, as I said. Ladies and gentlemen, this decentralized project is a community project that it's launched a community for developers and businesses called the JASMY League. So it's supporting innovation. It's putting its money into innovation. It's very futuristic, extremely inspiring. And the website itself, when you go to JASMY website, it offers a whole campus, just like the Royal Q University does. It offers a whole campus of learning materials. It offers awards to innovative developers. It offers a place where the community can socialize. Guys, the JASMY token powers that network. That a decentralized network for Internet of Things devices is powered by JASMY. JASMY is the source of payment for that network. It's an ERC token and it can be transferred between various IoT devices. Guys, I can go on, but let's do charting. There's been some good developments. As at the 6th of April, Very recently, we're talking only 3 days ago, there was a news that came out that JASMY has partnered with Binance and is giving away for another trading tournament with the potentiality of people winning the Tesla Model Y and $20,000 in JASMY. Guys, this is good. This is very, very good. The promotion period started from the 7th of April and is going right until the 13th of April. So it's a week of promotion, and that is very, very good. That is very good because what we are seeing is that given the fact that Bitcoin dipped, a lot of the crypto markets have also dipped. And what we are seeing is that given the close coupling of Bitcoin to a lot of the altcoin markets out there, JASMY is no different. But the timing of this news came on the 6th of April. Check it out. Look at what happened on the 6th of April. On the 6th of April, there was a huge push. Let's measure this. There was a huge push. Let me go the other way. Huge push which saw an increment of almost 20%. Almost 20%. So that big jump really gave some much needed good news to the market. Markets jumped at the news, but guys, you can see that as a result of what has been happening to Bitcoin subsequent to that jump of 20%, JASMY has dipped. We can see a bearish flag has developed. We can see a bearish flag has developed and that JASMY has dipped. Well, it's not all bad news because there are two classes of people who are involved in the business of JASMY. You are either in JASMY for the long term, in which case pushes such as I've shown you, the push of 20%. You can imagine putting $1,000 into this market, buying JASMY at this point when it was 0.02841 cents, getting a big jump of 20% and leaving the market at 0.03474. Guys, that jump of 20%, if you had put $1,000 in, you stood to make $1,200, all in the space of a day. As soon as the news came out, boom, the market went up. But subsequently to that news, we can see that there has been a dip in prices. In percentage terms, that dip in prices as a result of Bitcoin shenanigans, the price has fallen by 25.21%. Now, guys, it's not all bad news. I say not all bad news, but it's not bad news at all. For those who are hoping to accumulate JASMY, basically, it's getting cheaper. You can see a descending channel has formed. A descending channel has formed, supporting the theory of the bearish flag, according to my analysis. Guys, you can see that, if in terms of judging the extent to which JASMY has fallen in price, we can see a retracement of 60%. There are people who are happy to jump into the market at this point, but there are also people who I know are playing a waiting game to see the extent to which JASMY can continue to fall. The main thrust of support for JASMY, there are several instances of support. The first instance of support I'm going to point out is the 70% dip, which occurs at this price line of about 0.023.50%. Guys, it's a strong support line, and there are people who will happily get into the market at this point. There are also people who are waiting to jump into the JASMY market at the 78%, almost 80% retracement line. Guys, check it out. Look at that. There are people who are ready to jump in, who are just playing the waiting game to see whether JASMY indeed is going to continue falling to this level or to this level. We are waiting to see what happens to Bitcoin. Will there be a rebound in Bitcoin? Will there be a change in direction for Bitcoin? Will there be a rebound? Will the market bounce back? When can the market bounce back? There are also people who are saying, no, I'm not going to wait for, I'm not going to jump into the market at that point. I'm not going to jump into the market at that point. We also see a very good support line here showing, and there are people that are going to jump in at the price of 0.01683%. Which one are you? Which one are you? Are you amongst those who are ready to jump out of the market at this point? Because there are people who are so bearish, they have no patience, and at the first sign of the market looking bearish, there are people that will always jump out. I certainly hope you are not one of those, although saying that, it's your money, you are entitled to do with it what you will. So guys, what is the MACD telling us? MACD is telling us that the outlook is still bearish. The outlook is still bearish. We can see that as far as the RSI is concerned, we are almost hitting the 30% mark in terms of the RSI. In terms of the relative stock index, in terms of volume, you can see the reddishness of the screen lets us know that there has been a dip in volume. These are all bearish signs, guys. These are all bearish signs. As I say, IoT is future tech. IOC is future technology. IoT is future technology. There are people that will wait on and see whether indeed this price comes down back to that original support of 0.01270. And because it's crypto, anything can happen. You never say never with crypto. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. So guys, you can see that the market dynamics continues to show bearish tendencies. Continues to show bearish tendencies. Bear with me. And that there are people making decisions at critical levels of support throughout the JASMY coin. Now, what else do I want to tell you guys about? Oh yes, bear with me. Let me just correct my diagram colors and I'll continue. So you can see that in terms of JASMY, it's still undergoing a retest. There is no bullishness currently showing. MACD is telling us that, and the signal line is below zero, telling us that in terms of the market outlook, it's still relatively bearish. So ladies and gentlemen, you know, if you are in the market to accumulate JASMY, is good news. The point being, it's just a waiting game. Well, thank God, to be honest with you, for the fact that on the 6th of April, JASMY decided to partner with Binance and launch yet another trading tournament. I believe that trading tournament is what has kept the price relatively stable and relatively high. I believe that it was a very good decision by the management to release that information. You can see that the worst case scenario for JASMY, has been a consolidation. I'd rather that a coin consolidates than dips, although saying that the market is now dipping. So it's just a waiting game to see the extent to which the market is going to dip. Otherwise, if you are accumulating JASMY for the long term, it's a very good news because it means you are truly buying low. We are waiting for JASMY's glory days to come back. It's a company based on recent developments. We know it's strong on development. We know it's strong on partnership. If you go to CoinGecko, you can see that the dip is minus 1.4%. If you go to CoinMarketCap, you can see that the JASMY dip, it says it's dipped to 3.24%. Guys, the outlook for accumulators is good. If you are in the market for long-term accumulation, look at that. If I go to the year to date, if I go to all, yeah, the highest that JASMY has gone to has been $4, $4.3, as at the time that it launched way back in, when was this? This was in 2021, in February 2021. So the market potentiality of this coin is good. For traders, it's also looking good because we know after the dip will come the bull. After the dip will come the bull. We know that at some point there will be a jump back and the good times will roll again. Well, this is my analysis for JASMY. I hope I have helped you make sense of the market. I hope that you are clearer about what it is that you need to do. What is your persona? Are you a short-term trader or are you a long-term trader? What are you in the market to do? Are you buying JASMY for the long haul, or are you just simply waiting for it to hit again and come back and get back to the all-time high, previous all-time high of 0.04944, in which case we'll see the jump of nearly 50%. Some people are waiting for that. Either way, JASMY, we know, is going to carry on going up, going down, going up, going down until eventually it breaks out. The hope is that it breaks out, and that's what we're waiting for. So guys, thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel. This is the Royal Q University. My name is Dr. Sandra. Come on, let's get over the line. 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 Oh boy, I'm excited. Tell your friends about the channel. Tell your family members of the channel. Best of all, if you want to get involved in AI robot trading, come on, hit me up. Let me give you my referral code so that you too can begin to enjoy. I promise you, I'm going to handhold you through the experience. I'm going to show you how it is you can read your crypto charts. I'm going to show you how to buy, how to sell. I'm going to show you how to set your robots. I'm going to show you how to make money from this market, not only through robots. I'm going to show you how to make money in the short term, in the long term, in the spot trade, in the future trade, in the ETF market trading. There are so many strategies we can pursue. I'm going to get you to understand what strategies I follow are. I bring my Forex leanings into crypto and I can teach you indeed. So guys, thank you very much. I'm just about to sign off. Dr. Sandra is my name. Get on board. Let's make money. This is the year of the crypto. Don't get left behind. Thank you very much. Share my video to your friends and families, and God bless you. Over and out. Bye-bye.